Hello everyone, I'm out here at the ocean. Sorry about the wind, just gonna have to tune in. So I was listening to the song Oceans out here. He's sending them rockets out and then filling up, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes. You know, life is so amazing. You really just open up, let it come straight through you, send back out them rockets of desire, and then fill up, you know what I'm saying? And it's just so powerful, it's so spiritual, so moving. Look at that. The Pacific Ocean. What a beautiful thing. I went like way out there and got hit by some waves. But that's awesome, you know, it's all about the experience in life, you know, what are you gonna take from it, how you gonna fill up, and then how you gonna, you know, so yes, love it. Documenting the journey, feeling alive and great. And that's all for now. I'll make another thing, but I'm just really taking it in. And you've never been to the ocean before, but you gotta pretend like it's your first time all over again. If you take it for granted, you're not gonna feel anything, you know? So to really connect with each grain of salt and the sand, salt, everything, and be one with it.